know I haven't been on for a while, but I really need to do this. My husband snores bad, look, real bad, to the point where I'm considering getting a divorce. So, I saw this thing online, and it's a snore clip. So I said to him, will you try it? And he went, no, I'm having something up my nose. I was like, try it, or I'll divorce you. So, it came today. It's this little thing. Can you see it inside? I don't really want to mess with it because he's had it up his nose to try it. It's like magnetic balls on the end. So, we're just going to bed now. And he's going to put this in. I'm hoping and praying like you would not believe that it's going to work. This little thing. It was only about 4 or 5 quid, and then postage, whatever. I got it off Waveshare, I think it was. So yeah, oh please let it work. I just want a decent night's sleep with no snoring. That's all I want. Take too much to ask, is it? Because I could actually suffocate him. Well and truly, just like, I'd happily put a pillow over his face and not even think about it. Because he drives me up the wall. And I'm thinking, rather than go to jail, snore clip? The snore pillars and that we've tried don't work. So this is my last and final option. And he's going to try, bless him. Don't like it's a massive thing up the nose, is it? Like, it's tiny, it's like as big as my finger. Like, it's tiny. It's tiny. Really small. Small. I wonder how it works. It's going to push this bit together, right? Because there's magnetic balls, so it pushes them together. So how does that stop somebody snoring? Who knows? Well, we'll see, will we? I'll either be back on in an hour, like screaming, going, oh, it's not working! Or I'll fall asleep because it's so quiet. And we will see tomorrow. I will ask him if he'll let me film him pouring it in and see what it looks like, but probably say no. Okay. Speak to you soon for the results. Bye.